Product usage analytics versus mobile app analytics platforms. Which one is better for retention? Retention is the lifeblood of any product, but many companies confuse the tools designed to help. Product usage analytics and mobile app analytics platforms sound similar, yet they serve distinct purposes, and using the wrong one can cost you valuable users. Product usage analytics tracks how customers interact with your product overall. It monitors feature adoption, frequency of use, and engagement patterns. For example, a sauce company can see which features power the highest retention rates and which are underutilized, allowing product managers to prioritize improvements. Mobile app analytics platforms focus specifically on mobile metrics, such as app installs, session length, crashes, and in-app events. They are critical for understanding mobile user behavior and diagnosing technical issues that can drive churn. For instance, if users are abandoning your app after a certain screen, mobile analytics pinpoint the friction. Here's the surprising truth: product usage analytics tells you what drives long-term retention, while mobile app analytics identifies points of friction and technical barriers. One informs strategic product decisions, the other solves operational challenges in real time. So which is better for retention? If your goal is to understand overall user behavior and optimize the product experience, product usage analytics is invaluable. If you want to reduce churn by fixing bugs and improving mobile experiences, mobile app analytics is essential. The most effective strategy combines both. Use product usage analytics to guide product decisions that keep users engaged, and mobile app analytics to ensure the experience is smooth and frictionless. Together, they create a retention engine that's both data-driven and user-friendly.